Tia Maria, Timothea, Thea, T, not Tia, all the above. Oh man, too much. I prepare for my retie because I'm retying my hair today. Quick outfit check. So this is from Cider. I think it shrunk though in the wash because I don't remember it being this short and I don't grow. We'll go over to my TikTok. I have these jeans on there. Brand called Please. Start by loosening my hair. It needs to have no knots in it. They are going to be married at the roots. Take a big section. Separate them like that. African hair, tight full hair, mixed hair, curly hair in general. It is so much easier to detangle and handle when it is wet. This is after. This is before. Now, I would recommend that you section your hair into the amount of sections that you think you can complete in a week. When I want a quicker retie, I start from the front because my locks are smaller at the front, so there's more, but I can see it better. And that way you can style your hair in like half up, half down, and you won't be looking like a mad woman when you go outside. The rotation that I use is a 4-point rotation. The last direction your needle comes through your hair is the direction of what you want your hair to fall. If you have any questions, comment down below.